guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am bringing you another cleaning and decluttering video, this time of my closet. If you've seen my last video of just my regular office, I was decluttering and cleaning that area, and if you guys made it to the end of that video, you guys would have known that this video was next because this closet is a disaster and a hot mess, and I have things in here that I have no idea where they came from, and I'm definitely have to go through all this crap and just clean it out. Anyways guys, if you guys are new here, welcome. I hope you guys stay and subscribe to my channel because I will be doing some more cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos, as well as some DIYs. So if you like those type of videos, you guys definitely should subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And also, if you are new and you want to follow your girl, just go on my Instagram and follow me at Styled by Rosario. I welcome everybody because I truly love and appreciate everyone's support. So anyways guys, let's get to cleaning, honestly. Okay guys, all this crap came out from that tiny closet. I know, that's so ridiculous. So that is what I'm pretty much, like, you see my hands in here. I didn't want to do a voiceover at this point, but I realized that what I was saying didn't make any sense. So this is what I am going to clean and declutter and just get rid of stuff I don't need and get rid of stuff that I need to donate. So it was just like, what, how? I just don't understand. And I don't even understand how these stickers even got on this wall, but I don't know. I don't know what happens in my life, honestly. So guys, this blue container has a bunch of stuff from just pictures and just random stuff, and I'm just showing you here like some pictures. So don't be like making fun of me because I was literally just going through like memory lane of all the stuff in here, and I was just cracking up to myself, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, oh god. Yeah guys, it was definitely like something I enjoyed actually doing because it just reminded me of so many things, so many good times, and so many memories. And it's just like, you guys, I definitely liked going through this one. I'm just cracking up. I'm going to show you right. Oh my god. You guys, that was so quick. Wow. Anyways. So this is my middle school yearbook. Was this middle school or was this elementary? Don't remember, but what I did was pretty much, that's me. Pretty much I circled all my friends, and then I scribbled the people I didn't like, and then I hearted the people that I had a crush on. And yeah, super embarrassing. And who has CDs anymore? I'm just cracking up, guys. This was so fun to go through, and oh my gosh, all the pictures and all the memories just came back, and it was just like nostalgic, and it was amazing. Anyways guys, so I wanted to put all my pictures together and all my, I think, yeah, birthday cards, Christmas cards, all the cards. I keep all my cards that I am gifted. I'm that type of person. If you draw me anything, I'll keep it. I've had birthday cards since I was 16. And if you guys know my age, that's a while ago. So I ended up getting these boxes a while ago from Michael's, as well as I believe Hobby Lobby, for just a couple bucks. And I just ended up just using those boxes for my pictures and my birthday slash Christmas card. Yeah, so I think those things are totally worth buying because, oh my goodness, guys, I just don't understand my life and why I even do things. But you see there, I had a bunch of birthday cards I just wanted to show you guys.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say
So guys, towards the end of this video, the quality was not there, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. Anyways, I am just quickly finishing up this closet and just putting everything back nice and neat, and just getting rid of everything I don't need and everything I have to donate. I'm just putting it all aside. So that is it pretty much for this declutter and clean of my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And put that bell on, guys, to get notified every time I upload a video, because I am going to be cranking out these videos like not only twice a week, I'm not gonna lie. But definitely, guys, please stick around. I really appreciate your support. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye.